Oh God, Shashank, what supposed to say?
I'd like to tell him something.
नहीं, you know क्या हो गया था? प्रॉब्लम ये है बिकॉज शशांक एंड रिया एंड द राइटर्स न्यू मी सो वेल. उन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर बहुत, आई थिंक हर फिल्म में सब पूछते हैं कि इज दिस कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू, इज देयर कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू. दे वेरी shamelessly taken every part of my personality and exposed me completely in this film. If any character has ever been close to who I am as a person, it's Mrinalini, Millie, Dr. Millie, and it's embarrassing and it's amazing and it was a very annoying thing on set. I was like, ये तो मेरे लाइफ में हुआ था, ये सीन कैसे आ गया इस फिल्म में? So Riya was like, yeah, I'm sorry. Shashank was like, oh, I didn't think of it that way. I was like, you're such a liar. So yeah, they basically हाँ, तो ये basically मेरी personality है.
विक्रम को भी परेशान किया सेट.
हाँ,
अगर
बहुत
विक्रम कुछ बोलना चाहे.
टॉर्चर किया है.
टॉर्चर, विक्रम सही कह रही है वो.
नहीं, not at all. I think रोल की हद तक, I think जिस तरह रोल निभाया है उसके अंदर I think उन्होंने बहुत टॉर्चर किया. That was a part of a job and she really played it very aptly to the letter. But as a co-star, she's a very accommodating person, very warm and very welcoming, and extremely supportive. So I used to take my time settling in. मेरे लिए it was a completely alien environment, completely new environment, and not just her, everyone, Riya, Shashank, the whole production team, Manoj, Saurabh, all of them, even down to our help. Names like Preetham, Bharat, everyone all together, they just like made sure that we were completely comfortable.
There's also Ratna ji and Kiran ji. You both.
जी बिल्कुल, all of them, the whole family. It was an amazing experience. Like I said, मेरे लिए एक नई environment में काम करना, एक नए माहौल में काम करना, for me, for a person like me, I consider myself to be a bit of a social recluse. Coming out and interacting with new people is a bit of a task for me. So I think they left no stone. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी उन्होंने इस काम में कि मुझे comfortable किया जाए और for it to be an enjoyable experience.
Everybody wants to hear because you have been a singer, so everybody wants to hear.
I've been a very terrible singer. I tell you what, I've just made noise all my life. So ये लोगों की मेहरबानी और आपकी मेहरबानी है कि आप मेरे antics बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं. But what song are you referring to?
The title song of the Zindat
मुझे तो खुदा की कसम lyrics भी नहीं याद उसके.
कोई भी गाना गा दीजिए please. Any song then, if you're comfortable.
ने बहुत ट्राई किया.
में पत्थर फंस गए मेरे अब, लेकिन चलिए मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. Ali is going to hate me for this. जिंदगी गुलजार है ये इश्क का. I don't know what the lyric was after that. Huh? I'm sorry? ये इश्क का दरबार है. That's all I can help you with. But thank you so much.
Hi, this is for.
You're very kind. Thank you.
I always end up with singers, no? Co-stars.
I'm sorry, left. I'm sorry. You're. I'm sorry. Sorry, yo.
Yeah.
Hi. So Rekha's in the original Khoobsurat,
Yeah.
and you are in the remake. So have you all shown the trailer to Rekha? What were her thoughts?
Well, we've shown like she is a very close to our family, and उन्होंने आयशा भी देखी थी. उनके लिए हमने एक separate trial hold किया था. But like in this film also, I think we'll show her the film. Hi.
Hi. Sonam, see, usually we see you like really prim and proper, the way you present yourself every time. And in this film, you are the misfit.
Expression? You made this very prim and proper.
नहीं, I completely agree with that.
Yeah, so in the film, you're the misfit. So was it difficult to kind of play a different, role from...
What you see in the media, where I'm concerned, is completely... Stop laughing, guys. Stop looking at me like that. It's completely different than what you would know of me in my personal life. Unless some people in the media know me very well. So when they see the trailer, they'll be like, okay, fine, this is Sonam. She has no filter. And she says whatever, she behaves whatever, she's falling everywhere. And she wears... See, the whole idea of wearing whatever I want is what the whole idea of Millie is. So prim and proper, yeah, I try very hard to be prim and proper. And I guess if you think I am succeeding, then I am succeeding. I told you.
Sonam, hi.
Hi.
A lot of actresses these days are singing. Do you plan?
Are you crazy?
This
This is not happening at all.
I feel like it's a bad idea.
It's a really bad idea. I can't even sing in the bathroom. I'm not even a bathroom singer. No.
Never happened.
No. I don't think I can like sing at all.